Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make an elephant out of buttercream. What you're going to need is a bag of buttercream with a round tip, kind of a medium size, that's a size 12. You're going to need a small round tip on another buttercream bag, this is a size 3. And you are also going to need, I'm using a size 8 round tip for the legs. And then for the ears, I just have a rose tip that is proportionate to the size that I'm going to be making the head. What you do is you start off with the body. You just squeeze the buttercream out in kind of a tight spiral up. And then cut it off. And the head, you kind of just ball it up. And then you come forward, go down, pull up, stop. That makes the trunk. Now we switch our large round tip with our medium round tip, number 8, to make the legs. If you see that he's kind of drooping a little bit, all you really have to do is just pick him up and just shake him to one side, straighten him back out. Put it on, pull out until you get the size of the leg you want. And then go for the upper leg. And then on this side, the bottom leg, the top leg. If you have those little spikes there, what I do is I take a glass of water, clean finger, little bit of water on it, and you just flatten it out. You can also use a toothpick if you like, but I just like using my finger. Okay, now you take your You swap out with your rose tip to make the ears. You want to have the small part facing up. Go beside the head. Then you go up and pull down and stop so the ear forms like that. And just spin it around. Do the other ear. Up, down, stop. Now you take your white buttercream in the small tip. Make a couple eyes. Bloop. Bloop. And then you can even go underneath and make some tusks if you like. And you just pull them out. And if you end up with a long part like that, get the toothpick, a little bit of water, cut it off, and then just wipe it. A little bit of water and smooth it out. Voila. And for the eyes, you can use black buttercream. I like to get a small paintbrush with some black coloring on it and just tap it on there. And there you go. You have a cute little elephant.